Welcome back to my channel, your go-to spot for must-have kitchen gadgets. Fork and Knife with Plate sparkles today. We're counting down 12 incredible kitchen tools that will make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. From high-tech can openers to game-changing utensil sets, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Electric can opener. With just one touch, this electric can opener gets to work. No twisting, no turning, just press the button, and it smoothly cuts along the side of the lid. And the best part? No sharp edges. The built-in magnet lifts the lid effortlessly, so there's no mess and no risk of cutting your fingers. Plus, it works on most cans, big or small. It's palm-sized, easy to store, and perfect for small kitchens. Whether you're cooking up a feast or just need to open a can quickly, this little gadget is ready to go. It's also a must-have for seniors or anyone with arthritis. No more struggling with manual openers. This is the perfect gift for the holidays, birthdays, or even just to treat yourself. If you want a hassle-free kitchen upgrade, this electric can opener is a must-have. Number 2. Special Supplies Adaptive Utensils. Today, we're reviewing a life-changing kitchen essential, the Special Supplies Adaptive Utensils. If you or a loved one struggles with hand tremors, arthritis, or Parkinson's, this set is designed to make mealtime easier and more comfortable. Let's check it out. This 4-piece set includes a fork, knife, dinner spoon, and soup spoon. Each utensil is made with stainless steel, giving it a sturdy, high-quality feel. But what really makes them special is the weighted, non-slip handles that provide extra control and stability while eating. Look at this. The wider handle with a ribbed, textured design makes it easy to hold, even for those with limited dexterity. No more struggling with small, slippery utensils. Cleaning is a breeze. These utensils are made with food-grade, dishwasher-safe materials, so they're durable and easy to maintain. They also come in multiple colors to match your kitchen style. Whether you need extra support or want to help a loved one regain confidence at mealtime, this adaptive utensil set is a must-have. If you're looking for a practical and thoughtful gift, or just want to make everyday dining more comfortable. Number 3. Bamboo Countertop Appliance Slider. I'm reviewing a must-have for every kitchen, the Bamboo Countertop Appliance Slider. If you're tired of dragging heavy kitchen appliances across your countertop, this simple yet powerful solution is going to change the game. Let's check it out. This slide and glide appliance tray comes with premium 360-degree wheels, allowing you to move appliances effortlessly in any direction. No more heavy lifting, just a smooth, scratch-free glide. Look at that. Whether it's your coffee machine, air fryer, or stand mixer, this tray handles it all, no matter the weight. Plus, it's made from 0.8-inch thick solid bamboo, so it's not just functional, it's beautiful and durable too. Unlike plastic alternatives, this natural bamboo surface keeps your appliances in place without slipping, giving you extra stability while you work. And picking the perfect size is super easy. Just measure your appliance and available space, double-check the height. This tray is 0.84 inches thick, and you're good to go if you want to maximize your counter space and protect your countertops from scratches. This American-designed appliance slider is a must-have. Number 4. Electric Vegetable Chopper. The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. If you love quick and easy meal prep, this compact yet powerful chopper is just what you need. Let's dive in. This 3-cup chopper is the perfect size for everyday use, yet compact enough for easy storage. No more struggling with oversized processors for small tasks. I love how easy this is to use. No complicated twist locks. Just stack the lid, press to chop, and release to stop. Simple, right? With its durable stainless steel blades, you can chop, puree, and even emulsify ingredients effortlessly. It's perfect for sauces, dips, and dressings, thanks to the built-in oil dispenser on the lid. And cleanup? Super easy. The bowl, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe. No mess, no hassle. With a powerful 350-watt motor, this little chopper handles onions, nuts, herbs, hummus, and even homemade baby food like a pro. If you're looking for a fast, convenient, and space-saving food chopper, the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper is a total game changer. Number 5. AUON Clip on Strainer Silicone. I've got an absolute kitchen game changer, the AUON Clip-on Silicone Strainer. If you're tired of struggling with bulky colanders, this compact, clip-on design is going to make draining pasta, veggies, and meat so much easier. Let's check it out. This quick-draining strainer clips right onto your pots, pans, or bowls, giving you hands-free straining. No more worrying about spills or transferring food between strainers. And check this out, it's super compact, so it barely takes up any space. Perfect for small kitchens or anyone who loves an organized space. The flexible grip adjusts to different pot sizes, ensuring a secure fit. No matter the shape of your cookware, this tool has got you covered. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, this strainer is heat-resistant up to 230 degrees Celsius. That means it's safe, durable, and super easy to clean. Just pop it in the dishwasher or rinse it off by hand. It's not just for pasta. You can use it to filter grease, rinse fruits and veggies, or even prep salads. A true kitchen must-have. If you want effortless mess-free draining, the AUON Clip-on Silicone Strainer is a must-have. Number 6. Aosian 6-quart Stainless Steel. We're reviewing an essential kitchen upgrade. The Aosian 6-quart Stainless Steel Stock Pot with a deep fryer basket. Whether you're frying, steaming, or boiling, this pot is built to handle it all. Let's check it out. This heavy-duty stainless steel pot features tri-ply construction with a magnetized base, making it compatible with all stovetops, gas, electric, induction, you name it. It heats evenly and quickly, so your food cooks to perfection every time. Inside, you'll find easy-to-read measurement markings, making it super convenient to measure ingredients without extra tools. Plus, the glass lid with a steam vent helps seal in heat and flavor while letting you monitor your cooking. And check this out, the deep fryer basket isn't just for frying. Use it to rinse fruits and vegetables, strain pasta, or even serve crispy fries. This is a true all-in-one kitchen companion. Safety is key. The ergonomic anti-scalding handles give you a firm, cool-to-the-touch grip, no more accidental burns while cooking. And when you're done cooking, cleanup is a breeze. The pot is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. So, if you're looking for a versatile, durable, and easy-to-use stock pot, the Aosian 6-quart stainless steel pot is a must-have for your kitchen. Number 7. Zuli Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. We're reviewing a must-have kitchen gadget that makes cooking faster, cleaner, and easier. The Zuli Kitchen Premium Garlic Press. Let's see what makes this tool a game-changer for home cooks and professionals alike. This garlic press is made from high-quality, rust-proof materials, so it's built to last. It has a sturdy yet lightweight design, making it a reliable tool for years to come. One of the best features? You can crush and mince unpeeled garlic cloves. No more sticky garlic residue on your hands or struggling with peeling. Just place the clove inside, give it a squeeze, and voila, perfectly minced garlic in seconds. It even has built-in studs to maximize extraction, giving you the most garlic paste with minimal effort. And with its ergonomic handle, it's super comfortable to use. Cleaning is a breeze. You can rinse it under running water or just toss it in the dishwasher. Pro tip, rinse it right after use to avoid any leftover bits hardening up. And guess what? It's not just for garlic. You can also use it to crush ginger, seeds, onions, and even nuts. It's a versatile tool that replaces the need for a mortar and pestle in a pinch. So, if you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use, and hassle-free garlic press, the Zuli Kitchen Premium Garlic Press is a must-have for your kitchen. Click the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome kitchen product reviews. See you next time. Number 8. Bruin Kitchen Knife Set. The Bruin Kitchen Knife Set. Whether you're a home cook or a pro, this set promises razor-sharp precision, durability, and style. Let's check it out. This all-in-one set comes with 6 essential knives, including a chef's knife, slicing knife, bread knife, Santoka knife, and utility knife. Plus, you get kitchen scissors and a universal knife block to keep everything organized. The black nonstick coating not only gives it a sleek look, but also makes these knives rust-resistant and easy to clean. No more food sticking to your blade. The ergonomic handle has anti-slip indented dots, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip. So, whether you're chopping veggies or slicing meat, you'll have full control. Check this out. These knives are razor sharp, engineered with high-quality German steel and a 56-plus Rockwell hardness score. They offer the perfect balance of sharpness and durability. And the best part? They're dishwasher safe. The knife block is made from high-density polypropylene with drainage holes, keeping your knives clean and dry. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, stylish, and long-lasting knife set, the Bruin Kitchen Knife set is worth every penny. It also makes a perfect gift for any home chef. Number 9. Baking soda fridge. Not just a cute little mushroom, but a powerful odor eliminator. He uses baking soda to absorb fridge odors, keeping your fridge smelling fresh and clean. Plus, he's made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, so he's completely safe to use. Using him is super easy. Just wash him first, pop off the top, and fill his belly with baking soda. Then, place him in the egg section of your fridge and let him work his magic. This little champ fights bad smells, so your fridge stays fresh. No more opening the fridge and getting hit with last night's leftovers. And guess what? He's dishwasher safe and heat resistant, making cleaning super simple. Plus, his quirky design adds a touch of personality to your fridge. So, if you want a fun, effective, and reusable fridge deodorizer, the Ototo Fun Guy is a must-have. Mushroom, it also makes a great gift for foodies and home chefs. Number 10. Chicken Breast Shredder Tool. We're checking out a must-have kitchen gadget that's about to make your meal prep way easier. This chicken shredder tool. Poultry leg if you love pulled chicken, pork, or beef but hate the mess and effort, this tool is a game changer. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the design. It has a strong anti-slip base and plastic teeth that grip the meat securely while shredding. Plus, the transparent lid with extra spikes helps gather the shredded meat evenly. And check out this bright, fun color, definitely adds a little joy to the kitchen. Using it is super easy. Just cook your meat first and cut it into small pieces. Don't use raw meat. Place it inside, close the lid, and twist. In just a few seconds, you have perfectly shredded chicken ready for tacos, barbecue pulled pork, salads, casseroles, you name it. And look at that, perfectly shredded meat in no time. No more burned fingertips, no more mess, just quick and easy meal prep. It's made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic and is heat-resistant up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, and it comes with a cleaning brush to make cleanup effortless. So, whether you're a meal prepper, barbecue lover, or even making shredded food for pets, this chicken shredder tool is a must-have. Number 11. Food strainers and colanders. We're checking out a game-changing kitchen essential, this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Whether you're washing veggies, rinsing rice, straining pasta, or shredding cheese, this set does it all. Let's take a closer look. This set includes a stainless steel colander, a plastic fruit bowl with a non-slip base, a removable lid, and 3 different graters. The best part? The colander is rotatable, so when you drain water, your food stays in place. No more accidental spills. Check this out. With its pivoting design, the colander stays level while draining, meaning your food won't fall out. Just make sure it's properly locked in place before using it. The removable lid comes with 3 interchangeable graters, perfect for shredding cheese, veggies, or even zesting citrus. Super convenient. The large, sturdy handle makes it easy to grip, and the non-slip base keeps it steady on your countertop. Plus, the drainage holes are the perfect size. Water drains quickly without food slipping through. Made from high-quality stainless steel and food-safe plastic, this set is durable, rust-resistant, and super easy to clean. The colander and bowl are dishwasher safe, though I'd recommend hand-washing the lid and graters to keep them in top shape. If you want a versatile, space-saving, and practical kitchen tool, this colander with bowl set is a must-have. Number 12. Zuli Stainless Steel Garlic Press Rocker. If you love cooking but hate dealing with messy garlic, I've got the perfect solution for you, the Zuli stainless steel garlic press rocker set. Let's see how it works. This garlic press effortlessly crushes garlic in seconds, no more sticky hands or lingering odors. It's made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, so it's super durable and built to last. Unlike traditional garlic presses, this one has an ergonomic arc shape with a soft rubber handle, making it easy to grip and super comfortable to use. Just rock it back and forth, and voila, perfectly minced garlic in no time. Look at that. Uniformly minced garlic with zero hassle, perfect for all your recipes. Whether you need 1 clove or a dozen, this tool handles it all. Cleaning? A breeze. Just rinse it under running water or toss it in the dishwasher. No scrubbing, no mess. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and mess-free way to crush garlic, this Zuli stainless steel garlic press rocker is a must-have. And that wraps up our list of the best kitchen gadgets you need right now. House with garden fork and knife. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.